This is AVEVA electrical engineering, AVEVA electrical engineer module. Whenever you will open the file, it will look like this. So before proceeding, let's define some settings related. So click here, project, go to setup, to add edit plant area. Firstly we have to assign the plant area, the unit. Here create a new area, suppose 09, and here the description, you can see process area, apply. Okay, so this 09 process area we have now created. Let's close this. Again go to setup, and now go to project voltages. Here by default there are some voltages. You have to define, you have to mention the project voltages based on the project requirement: 240 volt, 400 volt, 415 volt, three phase, two phase. So like this: 3.3 kV, 6.6 kV, 11 kV, 33 kV. So if there is other system voltages as per your project requirement, you have to define here. So new project voltage, suppose this is 13.8 kV, three phase. Here you can mention, and the frequency also. So I'm mentioning 13.8 kV, three phase, 50 hertz frequency. Apply. Okay, now you can see this 13.8 kV, three phase, 50 hertz power supply. This voltage is now coming here. Click OK. Again go to setup, go to tag formats. Here you can see there's a free form. So you can use this free form to define any equipment tag. If you want to, assign new tag over here, click here, new. Next you can define the tag numbers from here, tag format and description. Then how it will come. Okay, just for example, suppose tag format, suppose this is for transformer. Okay, description, what type of tag it is, equipment. And here you can see this one, tag code. So firstly you can select area, then here you can give one space or hyphen as per the requirement. Then after area you can select number or function, suppose function. again hyphen, then suppose number. Okay, on it. So like this, click OK, apply. Here you can see this tag is coming. Click OK. You see this transformer equipment. This is 12 I dash L. So in this way, you can assign the equipment tags, and this is the free form. I will discuss about this equipment tag during that equipment tagging assigned. Click here, go back to setup page again, tag format, code catalog, symbol, cable sizing. So cable sizing and then wiring rule, this will be part of the AVEVA wiring manager, and these are the extract. Okay, so here the main important thing is that the first thing is to define the plant area, next plant or unit area, and next important part is the project voltages. So whatever voltages is applicable for your project, you have to define from here only. In any other place you cannot change the project voltage. You have to define here only, then only your MCC or switch gear or equipment voltages will appear in the respective AVEVA presentations.